Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashita and I wish a Merry Christmas to you all. So today I'll be unboxing this pottery wheel kit which is gifted by my parents for Christmas and New Year. So let's get unboxing. Now let's see what is in the box. Here we have the pottery wheel machine and in front we have the on and off button. We have the sponge to make the pot and air dry clay to make, which is used to make the pottery wheel pot. This is one of the tools. Here we have the instruction where you can read while you do the pot. Here we have a bottle of glue, two bottles of clay and some more tools. Here we have the knife. And this tool is used to cut the pot from the pottery wheel. And we have cute and beautiful molds here. And here we have the paint and paintbrush which is used to paint our pot after it is done. So these are all the materials included. So these are all the materials which are included in the pottery wheel kit, and in my next video I'll be posting how to make a pot with this pottery wheel kit, and stay tuned and watch it. Bye bye, see you in the next video.